guys. Say good morning to my followers. Yay! Good morning. Yan. Suklayin natin yung kanyang buhok at para punta na naman tayo ng school. How many hours that you are doing Zumba? She has a Zumba class today, guys. May Zumba class siya ngayon. So, kailangan na naman natin siya samahan. Para kung magpawis, palitan ng panibagong t-shirt. Magdala na lang kami ng extra 1 t-shirt. Okay?
Apo.
Apo. Ayan, tapat ha. Magalang. You have to be respectful. Okay?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam. Where did you learn that? Madam. Called madam.
When we go to summer with Mama Pilins, with Tito Jome, and Tita Ange, and Madam.
Madam. Oy, madam.
I forgot her name.
Okay, guys. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Have a Sunday morning today.